Hi guys, welcome to the channel. This video I will show you how to create marking line on your Canva. So I'm doing designing on Canva on browser version. So it's really easy how to create this marking line. So it will be make your life easier to make your design more consistent. So first of all, I will delete all the guides or the marking line. So now it's blank. There are no any marking line. So what you have to do, you click this file and then go to settings, and then you can click add guides. So you can change at the first, for instance, 3 columns, 3 by 3 grid. So I'm trying to these 3 columns and then add guides. So I know you are not you're not these lines not necessary. So for instance, you only need 1 line. So what you have to do is click on settings again, and then you unlock the guides, and then you choose or you adjust the line, for instance this one, and then the other rest I'll just delete it. You just move it out of frame. So I only have 1 guidelines or marking line that make my life easier on Canva. Okay, that's it. It's very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. Visit the subscribe our channel, or you can click thanks on down below. We will really appreciate that. That will be our fuel to make a better and better content. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye.